Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Peter, your virtual Fiery XF assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can easily make sure that your EPSON SpectroProofer is properly aligned and the SpectroProofer calibration has been performed. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your EPSON SpectroProofer is seated properly and that a green LED is shown. If the LED is not green, turn off the EPSON printer, then check that all connections of the SpectroProofer are in place properly. When turned off, also remove the SpectroProofer unit completely and make sure the white backing is installed together with the calibration plate. Check that the white calibration tile is clean as well. If all is in place, turn on the printer, then go into the maintenance menu. Select the SpectroProofer setting and press the Start button to perform the alignment. The printer will then print a couple of alignment lines, which will be measured by the SpectroProofer. Once this is completed, the setting will be automatically stored in the printer. And this is how you can easily perform a SpectroProofer alignment. Thanks for watching.